a nice descent coming up, but I'm going directly into the top. So it'll probably be more of a pedal downhill. Alright, something's wrong here. This absolutely sucks. I noticed the issue yesterday, and I just basically hobbled into a camp to hopefully take care of it. I just realized that I need a chain whip to loosen up the retaining nut. So when I was just messing around trying to tighten the cassette on, I see that part of it is broken. I don't know how. These two are good. This one is no good, and there should be a spacer between it and the rest of the gears. I'm gonna try to jimmy rig something. I'm putting it on without missing piece. Right now it's hand tight. Gonna put a tie wrap around it. I don't know. This just seems hokey. It's a bummer, but what can you do? Alright, I have this little gap here, a little bit too big of a gap in second sprocket, but I'm changing my 10-speed to a 9-speed. I'm going to put a tie wrap in the end, and hopefully it'll kind of work and tighten up the rest of these cassette gears. I really only care about the large ones working. If the small ones don't work, it's inconvenient, but it's okay. Near finished result. It's actually not that wiggly or loose. It's not that loose, to use technical terms here. And yeah, I just have to remember not to shift up into the lowest 3 gears, and maybe I'll be okay. Don't expect that tie wrap's going to last forever. I'm going to cut it, leave a little bit of a tag line just so I can pull on it if I need to tighten it, which I will definitely have to do. Finished result. Beautiful, huh?
My second day in the park, I left my bike with some rangers and hiked to the Gray Glacier. This glacier sits on the edge of the southern Patagonian ice field, the second largest ice field in the world.
Sandwiches in paradise. Yep. Think there's any predominant wind with the shape of those trees? Can't get much more beautiful than that.
I'm talking about the mountains, of course. Alright, we have some rice with tomato sauce, 2 eggs, and tuna.
Alright, just starting the Torres Del Paine hike. It's 4 a.m. in the morning, and I'm hoping to get up there by sunrise. So, yep, just maybe there won't be a very big crowd up there, and I'll be able to enjoy it. Not that it's not enjoyable with the crowd. Nandu! Nandu! Yay! I love them. Love those guys so much. They're so cool. I rolled up on these guys and they're not afraid. Pretty awesome.